Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro and let me show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll to the system. Now we have to tap on the About Phone option, and here we have to tap on Software Information. As you can see at the very bottom, we've got build number, so all you have to do right now is keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're a developer. If you've got a pattern open, then enter to confirm, and as you can see, we are in a developer mode, so we can go back. And in the system options, we've got the new bar developer options. So let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got a lot of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show view updates, we can show surface updates or pointer location. In order to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see, it is immediately activated and applied. Of course, in order to turn it off, just go back to the feature and tap on the switcher again. If you can see the option without the switcher, like here, for example, in the simulate secondary displays, just tap on it in order to open much more settings. So actually that's all. This is how to customize the developer options, and if you are done with this action, just tap on the switcher near on in order to turn off the developer options. Let's get back, and as you can see, they immediately disappears from the system list. If you would like to customize them again, then simply go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.